in this election.
In West Jaintia Hills District, the voting for the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly election 2023 kicked off at 7 a.m. today. People are out in queues to cast their vote in different polling stations of 2 Juwai Assembly constituency. Till filed this report, the voting ended peacefully in the 4 constituencies. According to the information received, the estimated percentage in Nartiang is 68%, Juwai 72.45%, Raliang 70%, Mokayao 74.25% and Amlarem 81%. Meanwhile, in East Jaintia Hills, from 2 constituencies, which are the 5 Sutunga Saipung and 6 Kliriat, concluded in a peaceful note with 75 turnouts till 3 p.m.
Public's love, I have no doubt that the second will come out flying color. So I believe this same love which they have shown today, it will remain and they will cast their vote in my favor. This is what I've seen and I believe in my people.
The candidates of major political